Welcome to the NewsRamp Health, Fitness, and Wellness Podcast. I'm your host, Max Newsman, and I'm thrilled to have you with us today. NewsRamp.com curates the latest business news from leading newswires, bringing you the most relevant stories to keep you informed and inspired. Now, a quick note before we dive in. While this podcast is produced with the assistance of AI and AI voices, rest assured that the stories we're sharing are very real, and the complete news stories can be found at newsramp.com. It's Monday morning, June 16th, 2025, and we have a lineup of health, fitness, and wellness headlines and stories that you won't want to miss. So, grab your coffee, lace up those running shoes, or settle into your favorite chair, and let's get started. Here is our first headline.
Biomed News breaks. HeartBeam Inc., NASDAQ, valid ECG study confirms diagnostic accuracy of synthesized 12-lead ECG. HeartBeam Inc., traded on NASDAQ under the ticker symbol BEAT, announced that its synthesized 12-lead ECG achieved 93% diagnostic agreement with standard ECGs in the valid ECG pivotal study. The study results, presented at the Heart Rhythm Society conference, validate the company's compact ECG technology. CEO Robert Eno highlighted the importance of accurate arrhythmia monitoring outside medical facilities. With FDA clearance anticipated, HeartBeam has launched an early access program to prepare for U.S. market entry. For more information, visit HeartBeam's website. Healthcare Triangle completes strategic acquisition of Niyama Healthcare and Isovion Solutions. Healthcare Triangle Inc. completed the acquisition of Niyama Healthcare Inc. and Isovion Solutions Private Limited, enhancing its global presence and digital healthcare offerings. The deal includes Niyama's mental health SaaS platform and Isovion's hospital information system solutions. With a total consideration of $5.7 million, the acquisition adds strategic and financial value to HCTI. This move aligns with HCTI's mission to revolutionize healthcare delivery with intelligent platforms. The acquisition expands product offerings into mental health and specialty care, strengthens AI and cloud-first architecture, and adds recurring revenue streams. Niyama will continue to support operations during the transition period, ensuring operational continuity. For more information, visit healthcaretriangle.com.
GeoVax receives favorable European regulatory guidance, supporting streamlined development pathway for GEO-MVA. GeoVax Labs Inc. has received positive scientific advice from the European Medicines Agency for their GEO-MVA vaccine, supporting a streamlined development pathway. The EMA confirmed that a single Phase 3 immunobridging trial would be sufficient to evaluate efficacy and support a marketing authorization application for vaccination against Mpox and smallpox. This guidance eliminates the need for multiple development steps typically required for vaccines, potentially accelerating the regulatory approval timeline. GeoVax believes that approval of GEO-MVA would provide an additional source of vaccine, strengthening global health resilience amidst the ongoing spread of Mpox. The company's strategic path toward regulatory approval in Europe comes at a critical time, as the World Health Organization has declared Mpox a public health emergency of international concern. GeoVax's next-generation manufacturing capabilities aim to address the urgent need for expanded vaccine availability and offer a critical alternative to current solutions. Thank you for joining us today. That's it for this episode of the NewsRamp Health, Fitness, and Wellness Podcast. As a reminder, NewsRamp curates news from leading newswires like Newsworthy.ai, 24/7pressrelease.com, NewsDirect.com, and BlockchainWire.io. We encourage you to visit newsramp.com to read all of today's news.